All right, everybody. I just wanted to thank MGM for hosting us. We're here at the Bellagio. We have this beautiful one-bedroom penthouse suite. When you walk in, look at this beautiful flooring, landing. Off to your right, you have your half bath guest bathroom. Over to the left, you have your bar area where you have snacks, plenty stocked up mini bar. On your left, you have your own fridge you could stock up. Awesome. Back side of the bar, have your Keurig with all your essentials for your morning coffee. Coming into this beautiful, spacious living room. Look at that. We were lucky to get the fountain side view, 55-inch flat screen TV, plenty of seating area. There's the front side of that bar, a couple of bar stools, beautiful. Just look at this crown molding, recessed lighting, just really, really well done. Combination marble floor and carpeting. And the view is just breathtaking. Got the view of the fountain, the Cosmo, full strip view. Dining area. That same view. Fountains are starting. I love it. We'll check back in on that. Off to the right, we have our bedroom, king size bed. Nice flat screen TV in front, some seating space. Also with that fountain view. We are on the 29th floor. What I love best about this suite is you have his and hers bathrooms. So off to the right, we have hers. Makeup area, sink, and beautiful large tub. Private toilet with the Toto, automatic Toto. Hello. I love that. Of course, you have your own closet, safe, and plenty of space for all your goodies. Plenty of storage. And then off to his bathroom, which also has his toilet, steam shower, and sink and closet, and plenty of more storage space. I just love this room. I can't thank MGM enough. What do you guys think of this room? Let me know. Drop a comment. Would you stay here? I know I definitely would. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I normally don't do tours of rooms, but I couldn't resist. It's just so beautiful. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.